Welcome to TS24x7. Today we are going to discuss about CSS3 box sizing. This is one of the property of CSS3. This property allows us to include the padding and border in an element's total width and height. Now we'll see what happens without the CSS3 box sizing. Without CSS3 box sizing, by defaultly the width and height of an element is calculated by the following: width plus padding plus border. This is an actual width of an element. Now we'll calculate about height plus padding, border, and this is an actual height. This means when you set width or height of an element, the element often appear bigger than you have set, because the element's border and padding are added to the element specified width and height. Now we'll go for the example so that we can understand. Open the new notepad, open HTML tag, open head part, open style tag. In CSS3 all the styles will be kept in style tag. Now take one div which is named as an div1. Here the width of an element is 300 pixels and the height of an element is 100 pixels and the border is 1 pixel solid red. And this is one div, and we can take another div. Here the width is 300 pixels and the height is 100 pixels and the border is 1 pixels solid and blue. Here the padding is 50 pixels. Now closing style. Now close the head. Now open the body. Here we can give some text. This is about CSS3 box sizing h1 end. The text one is ended, and now we will open the class. Here the class is div1. Close. This is smaller. Now close the div. Now open another div class. This is div2. This is bigger than. Now close the div. Now close the body. Close the HTML tag. Now save this file with .html extension. Now run this file with the browser. Here we got the output. The first one is smaller and the second one is bigger, and the border is red color for the smaller one and the border is blue color for the bigger one. This is our output. Now we'll see what happens with the CSS box sizing property. With CSS3 box sizing property. The CSS box sizing property will allow us to include the padding and border in an element's total width and height. If you set box sizing, we'll go for the example, then we can understand easily. Open Notepad, HTML, open the head, open the style. In style tag, we'll be giving all the styles. Now take one class. Here the width is 300 pixels. Here the height of the element is 100 pixels. Here the border is 1 pixel solid blue. Here the box sizing is border box. Now I am closing the div. Now take another div. Here the width is 300 pixels. Height is 100 pixels. And the padding is 50 pixels. And the border is 1 pixel solid red color. Here the box sizing is border box. Here we are giving box sizing property in the styles. Now close the style. Now close the head part. Now open the body part. Here we can give some text like this is about CSS3 box sizing property. Now close the text. Now open one div class. Here the class is div1. Using this, the styles will be applied to this text. This is smaller. Close the div. Open another div class. This is div2. This is bigger. Close the div. Close the body. Close the HTML. Save this file with .html extension. Now run this file. Now run this file with the browser. Here we got an output. The smaller text is, we got the output. This is about CSS box 3 property. The box with the blue color, this is smaller.